What I forgot to put in this video is how you actually get the glove box to open. I jumped the gun. I was already into it. I was excited about installing this real charcoal activated cabin air filter instead of the ones that they just claim are mixed with. You can actually see the charcoal in the different bead pockets. Anyway, on the side of the glove box, when you drop the glove box down, on the side there's two tabs that you push in really hard, and then it's in the back corner on the top. And it's got a little slit or a little indentation in that area. You push in on those two corners way up top in the back. And also there's a little arm down on the side that you got to kind of snap out of its slot and pull out of the way, or else you'll pull it out of its track or break it. So make sure you snap the arm out first, push in the two little tabs, and then the glove box drops down. Well, I bought this truck with 78,000 miles on it, and this truck has 117,000 miles on it now. Behind the glove box, let's see if I can squeeze this thing out of here. If I remember correctly, you can get it out. You just have to tip it a certain way. I don't think I've changed this since I bought this thing with 78,000 miles. I forgot it. I forgot to even do it. And look at that. Wow, that's a dirty filter. It's a real dirty filter. Maybe I did change it when I first bought it. I don't know. It's been about 78, 88, 98, 108. It's almost 40,000 miles on it. I got a new filter to take its place. If I got another paper filter, it'd be super easy, but I didn't. I got an activated charcoal filter. See all the charcoal beads in the bottom? And on the top, it's real nice. It's this filter I got on Amazon. Billowy cabin air filter. There's a SKU number. Put a link down below. I don't think this will go in without me pulling. Oh, maybe it will. Wait, let's let me see. You definitely want filter up. Oh, it's going. Is it not? No. Yep, it's going. There it is. It fit right in there. Now the trick is going to be getting this to go back in. There it is. There it is. Oh, pop back out. There it is. You got to push on the bottom kind of hard and it'll pop in. Same thing over here. Let me use two hands. Alright, I got it to pop back in. It was kind of hard to push the tabs all the way through. You could probably snip some of the plastic angle off of there and it will still stay in there and it will still hold it. It will be easier to push it in with like a set of side cutters, but there you go. That's the filter install.